Year's. Happy New Year's. 2020 is here, guys. How y'all doing? I am back. How y'all doing? Happy New Year's, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber and you interested about manifesting using the tools I love the best, which is journaling and scripting, you are at the right channel. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it. Okay, before I start the video today, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers and all my new subscribers. I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And again, happy New Year's, everybody. All right, guys, my name is Kidna, and this channel talks all about manifesting tools, and my favorite tools is journals. Okay, number one tools is journals. I love to script. I love to put journal entries. All right, so let's get started today. Now, the video today is gonna be using the mirror technique to manifest. And what is the mirror technique? The mirror technique, I'm gonna do another video to show you how to do it, but today video I'm just gonna talk about it briefly, what it is. And what it is basically you go in the mirror and you look at yourself and you state your affirmation, or you state whatever thing you want to manifest into your life. And what the powerful thing is, when you do that, you are talking to directly to your soul, your subconscious, whatever name you want to give it, but you are talking to your inner being, your inner self. That's why they always say when you look in someone in the eyes, their eyes is to their soul. That's what it is. You are talking to you, the divine in you, the God in you. So it's nice to go in the mirror and state your affirmations and just love yourself. Now, don't go in the mirror being all angry and say, "Oh, I hate you." No, 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 no. The technique is for you to manifest your goal and your dreams, and to love yourself and say positive stuff about yourself every single time you do it. Okay, guys, that is the mirror technique, and it's a very manifesting, powerful tool. And not a lot of people know about it or wants to use it, but I've explained it. It's up to you if you want to use it or not. Is this a tool to use to get to know yourself better, to manifest your dreams, to talk to yourself, your inner divine God in you? Because all of us have a divine, infinite being in us. We just in this body, but there's more to us than just this body. And when you look in the mirror and you're looking into your eyes, yes, you are talking to that being. So yes, it's a very powerful tool. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested about manifesting or need tips, please contact me. Go to my website. I do one-on-one coaching, and I also have my abundance journal. If you like to print that out, start manifesting 2020. Come on, guys, 2020, y'all want to manifest prosperity, abundance. This is the perfect time. Print it out. I have affirmations on it, and you can use those affirmations, or you can do it yourself if you need help or tips. Like I said, I have a one-on-one online consultation. For 1 hour, I will guide you and give you tips of what you need to do, how to do it. I will analyze it. I'm a Virgo. I like to analyze stuff. All right, guys, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.